Storybeam English.
Listen to stories and improve your English effortlessly. Imagine this moment. Felipe wants to practice English, but the room is quiet and he doesn't have anyone to talk to. No teacher, no classmates. In the past, Felipe would stop learning right there. But today, he doesn't have to, because now Felipe has something different, something always available, something patient, something that never sleeps. That something is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not human, but it feels like a learning partner. A smart tool Felipe can talk to anytime he wants. It is a teacher or practice partner who never says, "I don't have time right now." Whether it's early morning, late at night, or a tiny break between tasks, Felipe can open his phone and step into an English conversation instantly. He can ask it to explain grammar in simple words. He can practice daily conversations. He can learn new vocabulary. He can make mistakes and feel safe doing it. That's what makes it powerful. One evening he types, "Can you help me practice English?" The reply comes immediately. "Of course. What would you like to talk about?" Felipe says, "My school, my job, my day." And suddenly, he started practicing real English, not memorizing rules, not taking tests, but using the language. Here's the best part. Felipe is allowed to make mistakes. He writes, "I go school yesterday." ChatGPT doesn't criticize him. ChatGPT doesn't judge him. Instead, ChatGPT encourages him and gently replies to him, "Nice try." The correct sentence is, "I went to school yesterday." One correction, one improvement, one step forward. That's how Felipe's English progress happened. ChatGPT helped Felipe transform his English through 4 powerful tips. Tip 1. Small daily steps. Felipe discovers that his English progress doesn't come from long, exhausting study sessions. So, he started practicing every day, even for 5 minutes. He doesn't need hours. He doesn't need perfect focus. He only needs consistency. 5 minutes a day is enough. Why? Because his brain and everyone's brain learn better through repetition, not pressure. Think of English like a plant. Water it a little every day and it grows. Ignore it for weeks and it becomes weak. So, 5 minutes with ChatGPT keeps Felipe's English alive. He says hello. He asks a simple question. He reads a short story. Days turn into weeks and weeks into months, and without noticing, his 5 minutes of daily practice feel easy and it becomes 10, then 15, then 20, and so on. And one day, he catches himself speaking with confidence, which he never imagined. Tip 2. A safe step to making mistakes. Felipe used to fear English. He fears sounding wrong. He fears making mistakes. He fears being judged. But with ChatGPT, that fear melts away. Learning English with ChatGPT was a safe space for him. Many learners are afraid of English, afraid of sounding wrong, afraid of making mistakes, afraid of being judged. But ChatGPT doesn't judge Felipe or laugh when he makes mistakes. It doesn't rush him. It doesn't get tired. He can ask the same question several times. He can say, "I don't understand. Please explain again." And each time ChatGPT will reply to him gently. These moments build Felipe's confidence, and his confidence changed everything. Before he speaks with real people, he practices with ChatGPT quietly, privately, and at his own speed. Slowly, his fear of speaking English disappeared. Tip 3. Learn through correction. Felipe asks ChatGPT for corrections. This significantly helped him improve his English fast. He writes a sentence, he writes a paragraph, then asks, "Can you check my English?" ChatGPT corrects it, explains why, and guides him to rewrite it better. This not only helped him to fix errors, but also to understand how the English language works. Each correction becomes a step forward, each step improved fluency, and each day he feels the language becoming more natural. Tip 4. Talk about what he loves. Felipe talks with ChatGPT about what he loves. Studies show that English becomes easy when it becomes personal. He talks about food, travel, his favorite movies, dramas, and his future. ChatGPT creates conversations, stories, and questions about the things he loves. When English connects to his life, it starts to stick. By doing these, he is not studying English anymore. He is living in it. He also talks with ChatGPT about new topics. These new topics helped him learn new words. The new ideas also brought him new confidence. And slowly, Felipe stopped feeling like learning English was work. He started feeling like a tool he could shape. He started feeling curious, a powerful way to learn English. Felipe's journey shows that English is not about perfect grammar. It's about communication, practicing daily, and confidence. ChatGPT improved Felipe's English by giving him all three, anytime, anywhere. And the same transformation is waiting for you, so don't wait for a class. Don't wait for courage. Don't wait for a speaking partner. Open ChatGPT. Type your first sentence and begin your journey today. Because one small conversation every day can change the way you speak English forever. And if this story inspired you, like it, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who needs the courage to start. Let's spread confidence. Let's spread courage. Let's help more people find their voice, starting right now.